Okay, this video is about a new way of getting a proof of address in United Kingdom. So you'll be able to activate Shopify Payments or get a Stripe account or do whatever you want to do with your company. Okay, so there are people coming from my old video that I made like about 3 years ago. So this is an updated version of how to get a proof of address in UK. The old way is no longer working anymore. So I have to make another video to guide you through on how to get your proof of address in UK. If you just clicked on this video, you're not coming from my old video, that's fine. You're still going to be able to get your proof of address through this way. This is the latest way that we're going to use on how to get a proof of address in UK. So time has moved and a lot of things changed, and Shopify is becoming more stricter and stricter. So by working, all these years we've been working on how to find solutions on keeping dropshipping business going forward. So I found a new way of getting a proof of address in UK, which is the same way that I use to verify my stores and my client stores. Like if you want me to verify your store, I can verify Shopify Payments for you. If you want me to get you a Stripe account, we can use my documents to get you a Stripe account. But I have noticed that many people prefer to use their own document. They want to have their own proof of address. They want to have their own companies to verify Shopify Payments. So if you want a proof of address in UK to verify Shopify Payments on your own, the only way that's working right now that's not going to get you banned, the only way that's going to give you a legit document is by registering a UK company. And believe me, this might seem like a big thing that you are going to go through, but it is not, because registering a company in UK is very cheap comparing to register a company in USA. So when you register a company through my way, you'll be able to get a proof of address together with your company documents. But if you do it yourself, you might not be able to get a proof of address because it is still tricky and very hard to get a proof of address in UK. So if you are interested in getting your proof of address, I'll help you to get your proof of address in UK and get you your company set up. Then you will be able to activate Shopify Payments, not with my documents, but using your own document. So if you are interested, I'll leave my link in the description or in the comment section. Just click on it, go to my website. I have put out all the information that you need to know before we start. If you are okay, then we can start your company registration and get you your proof of address. This is the exact setup that I use to activate Shopify Payments. If you think you don't have enough money to register your own company, we can use my document for a small fee to activate Shopify Payments on your store. So choice is yours to make. Register your own company and get your proof of address and do it yourself, or we can use my company documents with my proof of address in UK. Then we can activate Shopify Payments for you.